In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export assets from Figma, whether it's specific design elements or the entire project. This is an essential skill for designers who want to share their work with clients or collaborate with team members professionally and seamlessly. Let's begin by opening up your web browser and searching for Figma. Once you've located the Figma website, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register before moving forward. With access to your account, go ahead and open the design project you wish to export. You should see your design workspace ready for you to begin the export process. Once there, identify the specific assets you want to export, which could be anything from individual layers to complete frames. Click on the frame, layer, or any other design element to select it for export. Next, cast your eyes over to the right-hand side of your screen where you'll spot the Inspector panel. Scroll down within this panel until you find the section labeled Export. Here, you'll want to click the plus icon to add a new export setting. This step allows you to configure how you want your assets to be exported, offering you a few choices that help tailor your output to your specific needs. Now that we're in the export settings, you need to decide on the format you want your file to take. Figma provides several options, including PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF, which can be selected from a convenient drop-down menu. Choose the one that best suits your project's needs, whether you need high-resolution images or scalable vector graphics. You might also want to adjust the scale of your export. You can increase the scale by using multipliers like 2x for a larger size, or set it to specific pixel dimensions if precision is your goal. Additionally, you have the option to add a suffix to your file name. This is particularly useful if you are exporting multiple versions and need a mechanism to identify each one easily. When you're happy with these settings, click the Export button to initiate the download of your asset to your computer. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing Shift plus CMD plus E on a Mac or Shift plus Control plus E on Windows will also open the export modal and begin the process. In cases where you need to export the entire Figma file rather than individual assets, navigate to the File menu situated in the top left corner of the Figma interface. From the drop-down menu, select Save Local Copy. This action will download your entire project to your computer's default downloads folder as a FIG file, allowing you to store or share the complete design space. And there you have it, a streamlined process to export your assets from Figma, ensuring you can share or archive your designs with ease. Thanks for sticking around, and happy designing.